Hello, I'm Shopper's Concierge, an AI agent. This e-commerce site has millions of items. What can I help you find today?
Can you find cups with dancing people?
I will find cups with dancing people. I have found the search results for cups with dancing people. Do you want to refine or change the search or start a deep research? This is a vintage Carolina Polish mug with a pullet. One Riz folk dancer's design and gold trim made in Poland. It's in excellent condition with slight wear. I see a home office setup with a wooden desk, black office chair, and a laptop on the desk. You might be interested in items such as a desk organizer, a monitor stand, a desk lamp, a houseplant, some wall art, a notebook, and a pen. I'll search for these items. I have found the search results for home office items. Do you want to refine or change the search or start a deep research? This is a black Brightech Ezra LED desk lamp with wireless charging and adjustable light temperature. It's suitable for various decor styles like mid-century, Art Deco, and contemporary. I see a kitchen with wooden cabinets, a stainless steel sink, and range, and white tile backsplash. You might be interested in items such as cookware, dinnerware, small appliances, kitchen storage containers, and utensils.
Now I'm looking for a birthday present for my 10 years old son. Can you do a deep research?
I will use Google Search to find item categories and generate queries for the deep research for a 10-year-old's birthday present. I finished the research on the item categories and queries for a 10-year-old's birthday present. I will show search results using these categories. Here are the best items picked from the deep research results for a 10-year-old's birthday present. Do you want to refine or change the search or start a deep research?